Hey everyone, today we're going to explore the power of social media for your floor cleaning business. We'll discuss how to choose the right platforms, create engaging content, and interact with your audience to build a loyal following. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to leverage social media to increase brand awareness and generate more leads for your floor cleaning services. My name's John Williams, and my company AGB generates floor cleaning businesses such as yours bookings and inquiries on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to help you guys be more successful through our specialist program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. Choosing the right platforms. The first step in building your social media presence is to choose the right platforms. With so many options available, it's essential to focus on the ones that will have the greatest impact on your business. For floor cleaners, such as carpet cleaners, we recommend focusing on 3 primary platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So let's talk about Facebook. As the largest social media platform, Facebook is a must for any business. It offers a variety of tools for promoting your services, sharing customer testimonials, and engaging with your audience. Instagram is perfect for showcasing your work through high quality visuals, share before and after photos, cleaning tips, and behind the scenes glimpses to engage your audience and showcase your expertise. LinkedIn is ideal for networking with other professionals and building relationships with potential clients in your area. It's also a great platform for sharing industry related articles through leadership content. Creating engaging content. Now that you've chosen the right platforms, it's time to create engaging content that will resonate with your audience. Here are some content ideas for a carpet cleaning business. Before and after photos. Showcase your work by sharing before and after photos of your carpet cleaning projects. This is a powerful way to demonstrate your expertise and the quality of your services. Cleaning tips and tricks. Share valuable carpet cleaning tips and tricks that your audience can use to maintain their carpets between professional cleanings. Behind the scenes content. Give your followers a glimpse into your day-to-day operations, introducing your team members and sharing your company's story. Testimonials and reviews. Share positive customer testimonials and reviews to build trust and credibility with your audience. Promotions and special offers. Announce limited time discounts or promotions to encourage potential clients to take action and book your services. Interacting with your audience. Building a loyal following on social media is not just about posting content, it's also about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments and messages and reviews in a timely manner to show your audience that you value their feedback. Additionally, be proactive by asking questions, running polls, or hosting giveaways to encourage interaction and create a sense of community. By choosing the right platforms, creating engaging content, and interacting with your audience, you can leverage the power of social media to build a strong online community for your floor cleaning business. Implement these strategies to increase brand awareness, generate more leads, and ultimately grow your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button for more valuable tips and insights. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our specialist program, then head down to the description below for the link to the website. See you in the next video.